Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch control the CLA45 AMG. First, ensure your vehicle is in Sport plus driving mode for maximum power delivery. Next, fully deactivate the traction control system by pressing and holding the ESP button. With these settings engaged, firmly press the brake pedal with your left foot, preparing for the next step in the sequence. Once the brake is engaged, quickly and fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot. You'll feel the engine rev up and hold at an optimal RPM. Look for the race start message to appear on your instrument cluster, confirming the system is active. When you're ready, swiftly release the brake pedal to initiate an exhilarating launch. For the best results, always ensure your engine and transmission are at their proper operating temperatures before attempting launch control. It's crucial to only use this feature on a dry, straight, and safe private road or track. Remember, repeated launches can put significant stress on your drivetrain, so use this powerful feature responsibly and sparingly. After experiencing the thrill of launch control, it's a good practice to allow your vehicle's components, especially the brakes and transmission, to cool down. Always maintain correct tire pressures for optimal grip and safety during high-performance driving. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter clean. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.